In this video, we bring to you an 800 square foot shipping container home with a guest suite in Bradenton, Florida. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container home. Welcome back. This lovely home sits in the midst of a peaceful and shaded atmosphere of lush greenery in the heart of Bradenton. This house is built with 3 shipping containers. 2 out of the 3 are 40-feet containers which are placed side by side and stitched together to create an open plan layout. The third container is a 20-footer at the rear which serves as a guest suite placed perpendicularly to the other 2 containers. A front door from a big covered entrance porch facing the street opens into this amazing house. The frontal part of the house accommodates an open plan living space with an open kitchen recessed in one of the shipping containers. The airy living area is roomy enough to accommodate all your furniture, and it's fitted with a large glass door that opens into a small covered porch. The contemporary kitchen features high-end stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a farmhouse steel sink, well-finished backsplash, designer cabinets with soft close, a breakfast bar, and a huge 4.5 cubic feet Samsung washer cum dryer set. A large, well-crafted wooden barn door opens into the first bedroom, occupying the frontal part of the house. The custom-built sliding barn doors are good space-saving design features that allows for maximum usage of space. The bedroom features a comfortable double bed and a large closet. A short hallway from the kitchen area carries you through each room with a serene indoor-outdoor flow. A barn door opens into the second bedroom that has only a bed to primarily focus on rest. Opposite the second bedroom is a minimalist modern bathroom that features a flush toilet, a modern wash hand basin, plus a standing shower. The third bedroom also serves as a guest suite, lies in the 20-foot container which can be accessed via the back door. This serene guest bedroom is fitted with a comfy double bed, a bedside lamp, and a laundry basket. The big glass windows on the side of the bed lights up the bed space with a clear view of the outdoors. The ample daylighting and the minimalist interiors make the well-lit bed space feel bigger and brighter. Adjoining this bedroom is an up-to-date bathroom that features a flush toilet, a small vanity, and a standing shower. The interior walls are painted white to make the indoor spaces appear bigger and look brighter. The industrial finish is the main decorative style on the inside. It uses the rawness of the exposed steel walls as an industrial charm. The house is finished with wood flooring and on the barn doors, which gives the home a feel of elegance and warm interior finishes. On the outside, the house is really impressive. The exterior is covered with light gray cement siding, while the container cargo doors are left exposed with the original colors and markings celebrating the industrial charm and the marine history of the shipping containers. An additional shed roof was built with timber trusses on top of the containers to keep the inside of the house cool from hot weather and also to protect the containers from the elements. In addition, this low-pitched iconic shed roof is also a design statement that gives character to the house whilst adapting to the local architecture of the neighborhood. This amazing home is listed for sale at $213,000. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.